Hey everyone, back with another video, and today I wanted to share something with you that I actually miss about my Nikon D600, and I need to order for my Sony A7 III. And that's this L bracket right here. And if you don't know what that is, what this is this is a bracket that mounts to my tripod head. So my tripod head is a Arca Swiss type mount, and basically what that means is the tripod adapter fits in here and then it tightens down, and that's how it quickly releases. So the good thing about this mount is if you look, it locks in and then you tighten the screw and then it's held in there. The cool thing about this mount that I really like and that I miss with my Sony is you can see here on the side, it has the option for vertical shots. And I find myself taking a lot more vertical shots than I used to, mainly because a lot of the social media avenues, they reward you for doing that. So if you think about Instagram and their square format, you're getting more real estate to show off your photos in that respect. And same thing with the new Instagram stories, is a vertical orientation. So they really reward you for shooting in this aspect. Now, the thing that I don't like about other tripod manufacturers or other mount systems is you kind of get that broken neck look, right? So if you just have the tripod mount on the bottom, you end up turning your camera like this, and then you're shooting off to the side of your tripod. And depending on how good your tripod is, this puts a lot of weight on that head, and sometimes you'll get sagging or, worst case scenario, gust of wind or something blows it over. So I really like the fact that this puts all of the weight right over the center of the tripod collar and it's held up. And then it's just a quick, easy switch like this, tighten it back in, and then you're ready to go. So I really like this mount, and I really like this Arca Swiss style quick release. So that's something that I'm really looking forward to ordering and getting back on my A7 III, and something that I really miss about my Nikon D600 is this quick, simple little mount. And this one's made by a company called Photo. It's a cheaper brand. I picked it up off of B&H Photo. I think it was about $50, and the A7 III version's about the same. So there's a few manufacturers. I think Really Right Stuff is probably the gold standard as far as these are concerned, and I think theirs are about 200. But for what I need it for, this is a great option. The other cool thing that it has is it has a 1/4-20 thread in the bottom. So if for some reason you were using somebody else's tripod and they don't have this type of mount, you can screw that quick release into the bottom and it will still work. So just another quick video on some gear that I like, and hopefully you like these videos. If you do, give them a thumbs up and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So until next time, take care.